Our experience has been wonderful. The event that was put on by Bonard was truly exceptional. Everything from the welcome dinner to the group that was assembled. So many people that collaborated well together. So many people, all who have different interests but an aligned vision for student housing came together. I would highly recommend it. It was efficient, it was informative, and collaborative.
I would definitely recommend this tour to anyone that's serious about student housing in Canada. Seeing these buildings, meeting the right people. This has been the best tour I've been a part of.